Welcome to my podcast. I'm a board certified plastic surgeon and educationalist based out of Chennai. I'm really honored that you have taken your time and given me your gift of your attention. Hope you are going to love this session. Please follow me in my Instagram handle for more updates. My Insta handle is Ram Dr. Karthik, RAMDRKARTHIK. Enjoy today's podcast. Today, one of our rhinoplasty client is sharing her experience. Though the individual experience varies, she's sharing her experience about rhinoplasty before, during, and after. Hope it will be useful guide to you. Thank you.
Hi, this is Pravina from Avadi. I have planned for a surgery. It is called rhinoplasty. I searched in many like what other girls do. I also searched many things in Google or YouTube and everything. But first I have a panic of how will be the surgery, because if whatever we know, but surgery is a very complicated procedure what we think. So what I thought is, I first afraid of a blade and all everything, because if other people we are seeing means it's not a that much problem, but we are facing we are going for a surgery means it's double the dose. So what I thought is, planning for surgery, first I thought that I didn't tell anything to my parents or something, because we are okay, we are comfortable also. Our parents might be get anxiety, then oh no ma, you don't need to cosmetology surgery means it is not that much important, why you are going for this, because you will deal with blood and all, because our parents will be very much afraid than us. So I came to Chennai Plastic Surgery. I searched many things in Google and YouTube everywhere regarding plastic surgeries, how it will be. I saw many videos. It will be very swelling and ecchymosis, everything in and over there. First, I was scared. Then I thought somewhere around to planning to stop the surgery. Why we have to face this much trouble? So then I thought, why we go and consult the doctor, what they will do, because sitting and searching in YouTube, getting a knowledge in Google, that is not enough. So I thought just go and see what the doctor suggests us, how it will be the environment, is it comfortable or not. Because what is the biggest mistake we do is, before surgery we do everything, we Google it, we will see in YouTube's, oh this is will be the, because if it is complicated also, we will think ourselves, this will be going to happen for us. So then I concluded everything, just get an appointment in Chennai plastic surgery, just go directly and we will see what will happen. Just we go and consult whether it is comfortable or not, we also going to face such a complications or not, just go and see. Then I got an appointment, just came to Chennai plastic surgery. Dr. Karthikeyan sir is very humble and a very lovable person. He explained me very well about the surgery, how it will be. He just simply said that don't be panic ma, everything will be simple. Then I built up my confident level. Then I fixed my appointment of the day of surgery. Then the nurse and the working staffs, everyone are called me regarding the surgery date. Before surgery they called me, they encouraged me, they told how to prepare, what to eat, what to does not eat, everything they prepared, and everything they called me, the medications, everything they suggest me. Then on the day of surgery, just I came, because panic is the very bad thing that for every humans, because we have to face it first, then only we have to decide. Then after coming to surgery, I saw every procedures, it's everything is I didn't know how it will be, just I prayed to God, just went to the surgery room. it just like I didn't know what happened, but everything is comfortable and everything after just I opened my eyes in surgery. They make me comfortable, everything, the staffs and the workers, everyone is very lovable, and they took care for me is very well. Then my surgery is done. Before that one day of surgery you will get panic because so much of bandages, everything will be there and sticking on our face. That will be for only one day. After next day you feel everything, it's normal, no bleeding, nothing. You can have your own food, you can do your works by own, no need to worry. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can call the doctor or anyone else in the staff. You can get ideas. If you call at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock also, they will respond you very well. What and all the medicine you have to take, everything they took care of you. Because feeding, everything on the day of surgery, they took care of me very well. Because it is a simple procedure. If you think it is simple, it's simple. If you think it is going to worst, means it will be worst. It's depending upon your mindset. So I am happy now. After day of my surgery, this is the 7th day, I'm feeling normal, no panic, everything. Because if you want to do something, means you have to step forward, because otherwise you won't get it. The staffs, and at last I want to thank Dr. Karthik Ram sir and the staffs, everyone. Thank you so much for giving me my lovable face. I'm pretty much happy about it because I am fair. I look fair, but everyone said that ஏம்மா மூக்கு சப்பையாக இருக்குது, ஏன்னா ஒயிட்டாக இருந்தால் என்ன அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க நிறைய பேர். பட் நவ் ஏன்னா நம்மளுக்கு மாற்றிக்கிற ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கும்போது, இஃப் யூ காட் கிரியேட்டட் டு சேஞ்ச் சம்திங், இஃப் இட் பாசிபிள்ஸ் வை கான்ட் யூ டியூ இட், அந்த மாதிரி தான் நினச்சேன். கடவுள் படைச்சார், இதுவும் நம்மளால் பண்ணுறதுக்கு டாக்டர்ஸ் மாதிரி நம்மளுக்கு அது கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலான்னு ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கும்போது நம்ம ஏன் பண்ணிக்கூடாது? நம்ம எதுக்கு மற்றவங்க வந்து நம்மளை ஷேம்ஸ் பண்ண, பாடி ஷேம் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நம்ம எதுக்கு அலோவ் பண்ணணும்? ஒன்ஸ் யூ கரெக்டு, அவங்க எதுக்கு அவங்கள பேச போகிறாங்க? அவ்வளோதான். ஸோ நவ் ஐ எம் ஹாப்பி. ஐ வாண்ட் டு தேங்க் எவ்ரி ஒன் related to Chennai plastic surgery, that anesthesiologist, everyone, that ENT doctor Shekhar sir, everyone. Thank you.